What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hope you guys enjoyed the video yesterday. Yesterday was my birthday. Didn't mention that yesterday, so I just kind of took it easy, guys. Got some rest, chilled out, hung out with the kids and stuff like that, man. So, and shout out to everybody for the birthday wishes, that follow me on social media and stuff like that, that kind of tapped in just to wish me a happy birthday. Definitely appreciate that, guys. I'm a blessed young man. I'm 34 years younger, and when I first turned 30, guys, I was actually diagnosed with lupus nephritis. Actually 2 forms of lupus, actually. So I've been through a lot. Inflammation in my body. Kidney failure, acute kidney failure. So I understand the importance of family. I really understand that importance, and this is why I tell everyone, if you're gonna look into making money online, you want to give yourself 6 months to a year to even learn the business. This is why we say learn while you earn. Don't have the expectations that you're just gonna jump in this business and within 2 weeks you're gonna make $1,000. It doesn't work like that. Now, I'm not saying it can't, because it can, and I'm gonna say it can because if you have a large following, if you have a budget. See, there's 2 things that we're talking about. We talk about free traffic and we talk about paid traffic. Free traffic is going to be more for a person that has more time than money. So they're going to, post a lot more, shoot a lot more videos, post in social media groups, post on blogs, find podcasts. They're going to do a lot of different things like that to put their business out there. So if you're one of those people that's saying, hey Jay, what's ways I can get my business out there? Listen to what I just kind of said. Social media platforms, wherever people are looking for this type of net information at. Podcasts, blogs, stuff like that. Quora, these are places that you can definitely make sure that you're at. YouTube, stuff like that. All right. Then there's going to be paid traffic where, people like me, we don't have all day. We have family. We want to spend time with our family. We have to do things with our kids, homework, dinner. Those are things that we still have to do and have a business, still have to be a dad, still have to be a husband, or a fiance or a boyfriend. You still got to be that other person to other people too. So don't ever get caught up and just thinking I gotta be stuck in a book, stuck in a computer, because we show you how to do this on autopilot where you can take 1 to 2 hours a day and literally be done. Okay. So back to the paid traffic. Let's just say you want to buy leads, people that have already showed interest in making money online. So now you're buying leads from a broker, or you're buying clicks from a broker. And what clicks mean is that these are people you're going to a vendor and you're saying, hey, I want to rent your list. I want you to send an email to your list. And they say, well, okay, for 100 people, I'll send an email to 100 people, and it's going to cost you $75. Now, to those 100 people, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to get leads. I'm not guaranteeing. I'm just saying I'm going to send you your link to them, and they may click and opt in your business and check it out where you can follow up with them. That's pretty much what that means. And we break all this down. We explain this to you guys in marketing systems, things like that do all of the selling and telling for you, things that allow you to brand yourself, and also things that allow you to duplicate. Okay? See, when you join any type of business, you want to make things duplicatable. That's why I tell everyone, if you join in myEcon, get the marketing system that's going to make it easy for you. Get the marketing system so when you're telling someone, hey, when you join our myEcon team, we're going to give you access to a done-for-you system that does all the selling and telling for you. You're going to have training in the back office as far as where to get traffic and leads from. You're pretty much going to have access to broadcast messaging, text messaging, follow-ups, literally everything that would make a person, feel like that I would offer someone, and you're able to offer that to them to make them feel like, oh man. And we have a team that does closing and hangouts for our team that does the closing of those sales for you. So you just invite people on your unique link that we provide to you with your username, and then they sign up after watching the website, or the presentation or webinars that we have every Thursday. See, that's what I'm talking about, guys. See how this duplication with a marketing system, something that does everything for you, something that works for you. In all the businesses that we talk about and that we promote, guys, it's literally marketing systems in place. We have things that are done. And a lot of everything that I'm talking about is in a lot of educational platforms, a lot of educational products that I've actually have in my funnel setups. So in the instant funnel setup, the instant payment funnel that I did, guys, you're literally learning the ins and outs of marketing from actually 3 programs. One is going to pretty much teach you that. The other one is a marketing system. It's going to give you all the tools. Thirdly, you're going to have an offer that you can give people, and it's going to also have training in the back office for social media ads for YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. You're literally going to have that. So you're going to be in the right hands, okay? And when it comes to this, so that's why I wanted to tell everyone, you want to make sure that you're educated more than anything. Give yourself 6 to 9 months to learn the business. Don't jump in, think you'll don't be disappointed if you don't make $1 million per se in a month, okay? Because you guys have to learn. This is why we try to teach people, or tell people about these type of businesses before they get into a bind, so they can already be prepared for these type of situations. You can't get in a bind and then say, hey, I want to join a network marketing business. He said I can make this type of money, so I want to join it. And if I don't make this type of money in a week, then he's a scam. That's why we have that. This is why we have this in this business, guys. Give yourself those right expectations to learn the business. I literally shot a video yesterday showing you guys how to do text message marketing, where people can either text your phone number and receive the message, or you can do broadcast email, text blast to these people with your link. People can call your phone number, and they're going to get a voice, they're going to get a message, and also while they're receiving the message, you can actually have a link sent to them about your business. This is the type of things that I'm going to introduce to you guys, and it's up to you to take action. So if anyone joins and they say, well, Jay, I need help, I'm going to ask you, are you shooting videos? Are you buying traffic? Are you using the SMS text broadcaster? Are you doing what you need to do? Social media ads. I give you social media ads training. Literally everything you're gonna need. Okay? So I'm gonna wrap this video on up, man. It's your boy Jay. Guys, I'm gonna leave all the links at the bottom here, everything breaking everything down, So if you're interested in making some good moolah, click those links in the description. I also got my information where you can definitely reach out to me, follow me, add me on Facebook so we can chit chat if you have any questions or concerns. Through giving my main number out, guys. So many people are disrespectful. They're calling me all times of the night. So that's going to be the actual number that you guys can only reach out to me, which will be through the follow-up for that series there through the SMS text broadcaster. Everything else is going to be once we lock in and once you sign up, then you're going to be able to lock in and reach out so we can then talk business. So very disrespectful. People were calling me, all the other stuff, man, that they were doing to me late at night, texting me, hanging up, and just, disrespectful on your main number. So I'm through giving that main number out. So pretty much I'm going to leave my other contact number and other email and contact sources to reach out to me, especially, through Messenger and chat, things like that, guys. You can definitely chat right there and there. Voice chat, everything. All right, so this your boy Jay. Click those links at the bottom. It's a beautiful Tuesday. I see you guys on the other side. Peace.